You know, whenever people talk about Dr. Ambedkar, they always limit him to a leader of the downtrodden people. They always limit him to a leader of the Dalits. Is that he was limited for only this work? Other introductions people have about him. He was the principal architect of the Indian Constitution. Well, that, of course, is the truth. But it would not be confined. And he was more than what people know about him. Even today, after so many years, Dr. Ambedkar is still not fully understood or appreciated by the general masses. What people talk about him as the Masiha of the downtrodden, as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution, is very well the truth. But it would be incomplete to say just that. He was truly a multi-talented personality. He was an intellectual giant. He was an economist by training. He was an anthropologist. He was a sociologist. He was a jurist. And he was the first law minister of India in Nehru's court. These are the various facets of his personality, which people still do not understand. My friends, this is not all. He has done so much more. He has made many contributions in many other areas for the integration of India. With all these dimensions in life, he was a true nationalist at his core. The famous quote, "I am first Indian, and I am Indian in the end, and nothing in between." It belongs to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and it does not belong to anybody else. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar had before him not only the unprivileged people of the society, but the entire society. Baba Saheb always believed in equality. His vision of social change and reclamation of human personality was universal. During his lifetime, he made many efforts and he used various strategies and methods to create a society which was based on the values of equality, liberty and fraternity. दोस्तों, मैं एक लड़की हूँ, भारत देश की पुत्री हूँ, और एक लड़की होने के नाते डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने नारी जाति पर किए हुए सारे उपकारों से भली भांति परिचित हूँ और उनके बारे में काफी कुछ पढ़ भी चुकी हूँ। स्वतंत्र पूर्व भारत में नारी को कोई विशेष अधिकार नहीं थे। Ladies did not have the right to equality. उदाहरण के तौर पर बता दूं, मृत व्यक्ति के संपत्ति का वारिस सिर्फ उसका पुत्र हो सकता था, मगर आज कानूनन वो हक उसकी बेटी का भी है, और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने लिखी हुई राज्य घटना के कारण हुआ है। अगर कोई औरत को किसी कारण डिवोर्स दिया जाता है तो उसकी उपजीविका के लिए उस पुरुष को अपनी आमदनी से उसे शेयर देना होगा। ये भी संभव हो चुका है राज्य घटना के कारण। और हाँ, अगर कोई लड़की विवाह योग्य हो जाती है, she has all the rights to take her own decision to select her own groom.